All right, guys. Hey, welcome back to the War House YouTube channel. You guys, I appreciate you. I got Melanie here. She's a super badass battle angel of ours that we're gonna have helping to show the
pendulum.
Yeah, the War Machine.
The awesome pendulum.
Yeah. So she's gonna demonstrate. We're gonna start a new series now that we've already done the series introducing all the machines here in the custom ones at the War House. We're gonna start doing some advanced training that Melanie has been just having fun with and things like that we've created that we might think that everybody would love to see. So we're gonna start a series where we're doing advanced movements on the War Machines and other things in the gym. So stay tuned and catch up with us here. Let's show them what's up. All right, I think if you wanna go into three primaries that I think we really like, Mel, that people like to see is, you know, maybe just the standard deep squat.
Okay.
You know, I think that's one that, and you can see kind of how it operates, and make sure we get a nice full pan view so everybody can see how this works.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
And so, as you can see here, let me get a little bit of weight. Yeah. Time out.
Almost feel I'm gonna break it with no weight.
I won't fuck you up. I'll just do 25 pounds. You gotta warm up, right?
You know Chelsea, the pro, she had 2 plates each side.
Yeah, I know.
I was like, what the hell?
She's fucking strong. On the platform, that's the way we have it. She's able to unlock with the handle and come right up on the plates, go into a nice standard kind of wide squat, and then very comfortably sink down into it. Very good. Nice. Excellent. Good job. Good show. Nice. Super comfortable to go all the way down, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Yep. How's it feel on your knees?
It feels great.
Yeah.
No pain.
Yeah, absolutely. Low back, hips, knees. It was designed to come in as an arcing, like we said, explained a little bit in the former YouTube that we have, one of our videos, earlier videos, and you can kind of see that. But this is a much more in-depth breakdown showing several different advanced exercises as well as the reverse. There you go. Come on, you got it. Let's go. All right, so Mel, on this one we're gonna practice the essentially it's the glute unilateral lunge, correct? Okay, so we'll walk onto the platform and go ahead and remember we're gonna start and bring from a narrow stance, just cross gently over in front of your hip with your leading leg. Perfect. And then bring the one behind you so you can comfortably drag it and then get you into your lunge position.
Perfect.
Yep, excellent.
Ready? And
then, perfect, there you go. Feel that nice and good tension on the outside of the glute there? Yeah. Well done. Yeah, excellent, excellent. And then one of the more advanced ones, and this is being the War Machine Pendulum that I created. This is the only true reversible pendulum there is in the world. All right, this one, because I built the way we built the padding as well as having the handle to unlock in the rear that works in unison with the front regular handle. You're able to attack it with a super strong front squat as well as with unique arc, the depth of what you can do. And we'll demonstrate a little bit of that. Let's show them how.
Alrighty.
Okay. Up we go, and then you can unlock it yourself right here from the front. Okay.
Make sure you go nice and wide.
Okay. Nice and wide.
All right.
Yep. Well done. And deep. Allowing your hips to get all the way around. Keep that nice neutral spine. I got you with right here, the spot. Excellent. Nice. How did that feel? It takes your soul.
Honestly, fucking insane. Nothing like this out there.
Absolutely. Boom. Good job. All right, you guys. So this is the War Machine Pendulum that we have here in the War House, designed and created by myself. And as you can see, it's an effective little machine. Putting it lightly. Cool. Well, make sure you come check it out. And you can find them nowhere else. We plan on having our proprietary designed equipment specifically for all of our War House locations. So hopefully coming to a city near you soon, you'll be able to visit one. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash the like button. Do it. All right.